Hi friends, my name is Shruti, working as Functional English and Life Skill Trainer in GTW Asrama School, Girls Uppa, Visakhapatnam District. Today, in our video class, we shall talk about decision making. So, what do you mean by decision making? Decision making is one of the important topic in management. Friends, in our day-to-day life, we make lot of decisions. It may be in negative way or it may be in positive way. Decision is an integral part of our life and decision making is a deal activity for every human being. Sometimes people can have really difficulties in making decisions. They may spend too much time worrying what is the right decision. For example, what subject to study, which job to do. Well, here we see that decision making is a key skill in the workplace. So, here leaders need to be able to take good decisions of their teams. But it is also important of making decisions with other team members. By knowing their opinions, so by good decision making we'll find good communication to improve our skills. And here are some few additional points for decision making. Let's see the first one. Being a good listener. Second one, having a clear set of priorities. Third point, having an open mind. Fourth one, being flexible and willing to change. Fifth one, being realistic. Now, let's elaborate these points. First one, being a good listener. Being a good listener means focusing on the person who is speaking to you, not to interrupt but rather just to hear them. So, by being a good listener, it helps to good decision making. Next, we'll go to second point. Having a clear set of priorities. Having a clear set of priorities means a clear set of priorities that people can move ahead into a meaningful way at all times. For example, you need to prioritize in your life first for making decisions. Here we see the third point, having an open mind. Here, open-minded people don't care to be right. They care to understand. There's never a right or wrong answer. Everything is about understanding. For example, by understanding, we make decisions in a short time or easily. Now, the fourth point is being flexible and willing to change. So, being flexible and willing to change means flexibility is the capacity to adjust to short term change quickly so that you can deal task effectively. So here, being flexible helps you to adapt to change, and flexibility is the key to stability. Next, the final point is being realistic. Being realistic means able to see things as they really deal with them in practical way. For example, nothing stays, nothing is permanent. Feelings, people, they all change. That's not being negative, that's being realistic. So, by being realistic also helps for making decisions without any risk. So, this is the topic of decision making. Hope you all understood. Thank you.